Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jilla kabla Pynkynriah na dong syadong hau news nam araja pesan. Kalarai ban Pynkynriah yaki ars pangut ki Nongdie Madan sha parking lot keberan mar Pyrshah bat ka State Bank of India hajan ka Words Lake Shillong. Yakni lepen tiap do menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ba polling do ha ka jinga keran bagi la pathai ko bor hadien belawai ka jinga lang jong ka kunhun menteri ha ka ar pendrep trik uleber araja pesan. Uri thu ba ka jingsna yaki basa de jing de jong ki Nongdie Madan kira jandep artan shwa ban Pynkynriah yaki Nongdie Madan na khandai la shu ulaong ba ka jing Pynkynriah iki Nongdie Madan kalong ban Pynkelu ya ka lentiya bat ya ki surok ya kali namar ba ki paj ba ki dan ya ka hok ban penan kam ya ka lentiya ke jan bat ya ki surok ya kali.
As you can see, some new construction is already happening where these vendors will be relocated.
Where?
This is at Khandai area itself. Opposite the State Bank also, some construction is on. So these also will be used for the rehabilitation of workers.
When?
It will happen within this year. You will see.
Because last year, you said last year.
Yeah, that's why I told you that we will not give you a definite date because you will keep asking every press conference. But it's happening. The location is happening. Names have already been finalized, and we have indicated a space for about 200 such hawkers. No. In fact, that process, the hawkers themselves had representation in the town vending committees, so things are going on smoothly. We should be able to relocate them once the new structures are ready. See, I think you'll also appreciate the fact that today, even the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has stepped in by also directing the state government to expedite the process of relocating workers who are creating a lot of inconvenience to other road users. So we are aware of the situation, we are seized of the matter, which is why the relocation will happen immediately, once the structures are ready. See, as government, whether we do it or we don't do it, we always get the short end of the stick. But we will do what has been mandated to us to do. We will perform our duties accordingly, and we will ensure that all road users, including transporters, pedestrians, they also have equal right to the use of those roads.